Hello and welcome back. I'm in my living room today, and today I'm going to be decluttering my Christmas decorations. I've brought up most of my Christmas decorations, but not all of my Christmas decorations. I have a ton of them. But this year I decided to go ahead and declutter before Christmas because last year I put the lights on the tree and I noticed like one string had half missing and another string had half missing. So I really need to kind of go through it and see what I have in case I need to replace anything this year. So let me show you the decorations I'm going to be going through today. So first thing I want to do is just sort these totes out like by like, and then I'll go through them and decide which ones I want to get rid of. So I found my elf hat. So I pulled everything out of the totes. I can't believe how much I've got. Now it's time to decide what to keep and what to get rid of. So these were on the couch. I've had these since me and my husband's first Christmas together, and I absolutely love them. But they're glass, and I have 3 dogs. So looking at everything on the couch, I haven't used any of that in years. I'm going to let all of that go. So let me show you everything that's on the couch that I'm going to be getting rid of. I'm going to go ahead and pack it up into a tote to get rid of it. So I'm going to grab one of these large totes and I'm going to pack this stuff up so I can get it gone. So I've got a cute Christmas village set, but I haven't displayed it for a really long time. And I've got dogs. So I don't see myself displaying it in the future. But my daughter mentioned something about wanting to start a Christmas village scene herself. And I mentioned this to her and she wants it. So I'm going to pack it up and send it to her. So I'm going to go ahead and get a tote and pack these up for my daughter. So I went ahead and switched totes because I noticed as I was filling up the big tote that there was a lot of extra space. So all of the Christmas Village fit into one of the smaller totes. So these were just some little yard picks. I want to get rid of these. So this tote here is actually full of ornaments. They're Disney ornaments. This is one of them. This is little Tigger. We bought these years ago. It was like one of those subscription services where they sent you 2 a month and you paid for them, and then the next month they sent you 2 more. And it seems like every time you subscribe to a subscription service like that, they just keep sending them quicker and quicker to get more money out of you. But I've displayed these like on a shelf, but I've never put them on my Christmas tree. But I think this year I'm going to go ahead and put them on my Christmas tree. And I think what I want to do is actually look for some ornament containers for ornaments to actually go in instead of keeping these little boxes, because it's kind of a pain to take them out and put them back in every year. This is just my extra box for like hooks and lights and things like that. Fuses. So I just keep all of this in one place. That's so I need to test these lights to see if they actually work or not. Yay, we've got one set that works, Boatsy. So right now this whole strand is working, but when I first plugged it up, half of the strand wasn't. So I think there's a short in it. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. These are bigger bulbs. These are larger lights and the strand works. So I've got a ton of this. This is actually from Home Interior. The ones sitting on this chair over here are the ones that I used last year. So I know I'll probably use these again. And then the others I'll have to go through. So I have several of these candle rings. I'm not going to use these. I'm going to declutter these. I'm going to declutter these. These have bills, but I'm going to declutter these as well. This is some garland. I'm going to get rid of this. This is the garland I actually use. This is one of the puppy stockings. My little gingerbread man. So this is my elf bell. My daughter visited Alaska last year, and there's a town called North Pole, and they decorate the entire town like Christmas, and she bought this for me. I've got two Charlie Brown Christmas trees, but I think one of them's broken, so I'm going to check both of these out. I'm guessing it's this one. It's not fitting in quite right. So this one's good, and this one's bad. I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm just going to see if I can get this in there. So I've got two totes of Christmas decorations that will be decluttered today. The small tote has the Christmas village. I'll be sending that to my daughter, and then I've got another large tote of Christmas decorations that I don't use or don't want. They're going. So I know I've got more decorations around this house, but it feels really good to go ahead and declutter some of it before the decorating begins. Hopefully when it's time to decorate, I'll be able to decorate a little bit faster. Hopefully it'll be a little bit easier because I've already gotten out a lot of what I know I don't want. I know your time is valuable. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.